We have the information you need to know. If Juneteenth activities are on your list, there are a number of events happening this weekend. State Representative C. Denise Marcel will host an event at Gus Young Park. It is free, open to the public, and it starts tomorrow at noon. Now, also tomorrow, the Juneteenth Music Fest goes from 11 a.m. until 7 p.m. in Louisiana Square. That happens in Donaldsonville. You can find information on all of the Juneteenth events on our website at WBRZ.com. Saint Gabriel is the site for a very special Juneteenth celebration. News 2's David Hamilton reports on how they're honoring a group of historic African Americans.
The city of Saint Gabriel has kicked off their weekend full of celebration of Juneteenth with the 4th annual Buffalo Soldiers Freedom Ride. The Saint Gabriel chapter of the Buffalo Soldiers Freedom Motorcycle Club takes a ride in commemoration of their namesake, the famed African American regiment formed in the 19th century.
Buffalo Soldiers really laid the groundwork for African American soldiers. They showed that we had the ability to go out and fight for our country and do it with meaning and honor.
The 2-mile ride may not have been long, but they hope to have a lasting impact.
It was a small gathering, but it was a big gathering in spirit. And I think that's going to grow more, and the best is yet to come. I'm just proud of the Buffalo Soldiers coming together in our city. Even the mayor, everybody came together without hesitating to make this happen.
Touch one, touch something, right? We expect this event to continually grow. We expect our people to learn to embrace and celebrate this thing that we call Juneteenth. So what we do is we call it the Freedom Ride in celebration of the freedom that we received through Juneteenth.
The city of Saint Gabriel is looking to continue to commemorate the holiday as they have events lined up for the next several days. David Hamilton, WBRZ News 2.
If you know someone making a difference in our community, send me their name, information, and a brief summary to Sylvia at WBRZ.com.